In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the product SKU, which is visible on product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. And as usual, for the purpose of this example, I change the color of SKU to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select Online Store. Now locate Dawn Theme and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on Home page and then select Products. Then click on Default Product. Then on the left, under Template, click on Product Information. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the Custom CSS section. Let's expand it. We'll be adding the custom CSS already here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the SKU. Let's right click on it, then select Inspect. And the class selector we'll be targeting is product_SKU. Okay, let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, product_SKU. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between them, press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Now let me get the hex code for the red color. Make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor and paste it right in here. Once complete, just save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the product SKU is red color, and this change will be reflected in other product pages, like right over here. So for now, that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.